Adiel Gorel has helped thousands secure their retirement riches. Even the great Warren Buffett wrote him needing to know more. The answers are all here for you. Welcome to the Remote Control Retirement Riches Show.
To make your money last a lifetime, dare to love inflation, debt, and time. So we all know we have inflation in the US, sometimes lower, sometimes higher, but it keeps raising prices all the time. We used to buy a postage stamp for 4 cents. Now it's 60 cents. We used to go to the movies for $1.50. Now it's 16 bucks. Everything goes up with inflation, except the 30-year fixed rate loan. The payment never goes up. And the loan balance never goes up. So while everything else goes up with inflation, and with time, it goes up a lot, your loan never budges, which means in real dollar, it becomes less and less and less and less. It's effectively being paid off by inflation and time, building you wealth month after month, year after year. So dare to love inflation, debt, and time. They will build you wealth and make it last a lifetime. Thanks for joining me today. Click the subscribe button for more video on real estate. Got a question or comment? I love questions and comments. Leave yours below. And here's another video you've got to see.